First of all, you can see here, this is a circle and having a diameter AB, and there are two tangents. One tangent is passing through to the point A, that is end of one diameter, and the second tangents passing through to the point B, that is the end of the this diameter, second end of the diameter AB. Then we have to prove that these two tangents are parallel, that is PQ parallel to RS. ये हमें प्रूव करना है. So first of all we will write the given things. Given that a circle with center O, a circle with center O and AB is a diameter. You can take any other name of this diameter also. It is not necessary you will take A or B. You can let X or Y and any other point. Okay. And one more thing is given, that two tangents PQ and RS. Okay. To prove that, हमें प्रूव करना है कि ये दोनों टेंजेंट्स हैं, ये पैरेलल होंगे. तो सिंपली लिखेंगे PQ पैरेलल टू RS. ओके. नाउ नो नीड टू कंस्ट्रक्शन की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, सब कुछ दिया हुआ है पहले से ही. तो क्या करना है? यस, प्रूफ स्टार्ट करेंगे. First of all, we will write a statement that radius is perpendicular to the tangents. So we will write radius, since radius is perpendicular to the tangent. Therefore, you can see that this angle is 90 degree. Let us, this angle is 1, and in the same way we can say that this is also
90 degree.
Radius perpendicular to the tangent, so this one is also 90 degree. So first of all we will write angle 1 equal to 90 degree. This is the equation number 1. And again at the second tangent you can see that this angle 2 is also 90 degree, and angle 2 equal to also 90 degree, because this is also another tangent perpendicular to the radius. So now from equation 1 and 2 we can conclude that both the values are same, that is angle 1 equal to angle 2. So we will write that for the conclusion angle 1 equal to angle 2. But dear, these two angles are alternate interior angle. So we will write, but angle 1 and angle 2 are alternate interior angle. And it is possible only when these two lines are parallel. Alternate interior angle equal तभी होंगे जब आपकी ये लाइन parallel हो. This implies that PQ parallel to RS, and hence finally you can write that tangents are parallel. This implies that hence tangents at the end of diameter are parallel. इतना ही आपको प्रूव करना था, तो ये आपका रिजल्ट है. ठीक है.